Hi, I'm Jim Jeffries, founder and chief executive of the M&A Leadership Council. For 30 years, I've observed the outcome of acquisitions, and they haven't changed much. In fact, 50 to 70% of deals fail to deliver full stakeholder value. Since 2009, the Council has advised and trained thousands of corporate practitioners from hundreds of acquisitive companies. Successful acquirers needed a trusted roadmap, a step-by-step operational manual to guide them from start to finish, and MergerMax was born. MergerMax is our proprietary curated guide developed along with the most seasoned corporate M&A professionals, authors, and advisors in the industry. MergerMax is an easy-to-navigate yet powerful digital solution providing immediate value and high user adoption. MergerMax is the ideal learning tool for new M&A team members and a proven navigational guide for the more experienced members on your deal team. And MergerMax's AI capability, we call Ask Max, draws from the Council's proprietary content carefully curated to provide the most useful answers related to your M&A execution. With MergerMax, nothing falls through the cracks, and your critical questions are provided in real time. We invite you to learn more about MergerMax, spend time with it, and take it for a test drive. Thank you.